Today I'm partnering with Target and Ring to show you how I'm setting up our front porch for Halloween. It's the busiest time of year for your front door, so I grabbed a Ring Battery Doorbell just to have peace of mind. It was such an easy install. You know I love things simple, so I'm just adding a festive doormat and a few pumpkins. Then I'm ready to capture all those cute trick-or-treating moments. The Ring Battery Doorbell has a live view and two-way talk. It also sends you motion activation alerts through the free Ring app. Grab your Ring Battery Doorbell at Target to capture all those spooky Halloween moments.